box. Let's check it out. We got real opening doors. It's got metal door hinges in there. It's pretty cool. Got our opening hood. Got the lights on top. The roof rack. These back doors open. I don't know if you can see in there. Open up this back door too, get more light in there. Pretty neat. Got actual little windows. Grab rail. See how we undo the spare tire. Just pull on it. Very detailed inside. Pretty neat. Close that one first. Yeah, right from out of the box. Got a pretty good articulation going on with the rear suspension. wpl-rc seesaw suspension. Pretty cool. Well, let's take her down the trail. Okay, let's take this thing down the trail. Definitely top heavy. We'll have to take it easy on it. We'll have to do a slow motion video of this thing going full throttle down here. I think that might look pretty cool. Got a brand new truck. Might as well take it through the mud. Said it before, b36 is one of my favorite WPL trucks. Got a lot of detail. Definitely the most involved in putting together. The door is flying open, but it's okay. Be interesting to see if we can even make it through here. Good chance that it's not going to make it, but it's fun to try. You'll take it easy on it. Don't want to break the gearbox or anything on the first maiden voyage of it. Well, that didn't work. Do a little reset. Yeah, thank you to everybody that watches my videos. Pretty cool. Got a little bit over 1,000 subscribers now. Pretty neat. See how many views we get on this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it. Yeah, leave a comment below saying what your favorite WPL truck is. Oh, well, we got it caught up on some branches. There's some roots, and broke something. You know, pop the rear drive shaft off. I don't know if you can see that. It's a pretty easy fix on these plastic drive shafts. Just kind of snap it back into place. I'll actually set this up and I'll show you how to do that. Little how-to video, I guess. Okay. So yeah, if they ever pop out like that, then we'll pause it and get everything situated. Okay, yeah, so if your plastic drive shaft ever pops off, you just kind of get the U-joint lined up on the one side, on the back side, get it in the hole. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this one-handed. I don't have a way to edit this video, so you'll have to bear with me. But you want to get it lined up so you get one of those things into the hole. And then just kind of pop it on. Okay, that was actually pretty easy when I had both hands. And now that we have that popped back on, we can flex this. Just kind of spin that into place and that drops back down. And we're back in business. Now we got some nice realistic dirt on this thing. Make it look not so shiny and new. But yeah, we got that drive shaft back in. Let's see if we can keep going. Getting caught up on the roots and stuff, but right here's a nice deep little mud hole. Oh yeah, no problem. See how deep it can go. So yeah, we're going to be upgrading the drive shafts in this for sure. Got some metal drive shafts for it already. Probably put the 370 dual speed in. Right now it's just got the stock 180 in it. Okay, well, I guess we gotta upgrade the drive shafts right away in this. It's a pretty heavy truck, so I guess that's to be expected. So we'll get some metal drive shafts in here and get her tuned up a little bit, and we'll hit the trail again. Till then, y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.